For more information and current price, I included this product link in the description.
This is a more close-up look at the Lanikai LU22 CGC. As you can see, it has the white binding, the white across the sound hole, the rosewood bridge, the rosewood fretboard, the little inlays, and the gold hardware with the Lanikai logo, the gold hardware on the back, the mahogany neck and back and sides with the white binding on the back, and then the white binding on the front. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful ukulele and I highly recommend it to anyone. So as you can tell, it has pretty good tone. It has a little bit of a ringing in the string. So in my opinion, this is a really good ukulele. It's a good starter concert ukulele. It's the perfect size for me. Some people like the little soprano, some people want a little bigger with a tenor, but I think the concert is a good size for me. And I'm by no means a professional. I just decided I wanted a ukulele one day and this one caught my eye. I believe I got it on Musician's Friend for about $75. That was several years ago. They do actually still sell them on their website. Right now they're $99. I believe they're sold on Amazon for about $76 to $80. I believe Guitar Center and Musician's Friend run about the same, for their online prices at least. I highly recommend if you're just beginning, you want to start a ukulele, but you don't want a cheap little like $20 ukulele. You want something that has a good sound and a good tone, and it's highly recommended by me. I recommend the ukulele as a good like beginner instrument to learn. I'm not saying that it's super easy, it just, for me it seemed to be easier to pick up than the mandolin and the banjo. The guitar's pretty easy too, but... So that's my little review of the Lanikai LU22 CGC.
I have included this product link in the description. You can check out that link for more details and latest price.